During the course of our physics education, there is a branch of physics that studies the properties of material. And in what we do it performing different experiments to see how different materials interact to different properties. And in this case, I'm going to show you a very simple experiment. I have in my hand I have one small ball, this metallic ball, and I have here a little magnet. And we're going to see how these two materials interact with, in this case, with glass. And Nal has a pipe of glass. And we're going to see first what happens if we throw the metallic ball through it. If you can take it. Okay, it just falls. And now we're going to try the same thing with the magnet. Okay, it falls as well. So now we are going to do the same thing, but with a different tube that is made of copper. We will see what happens. So first I will throw the metallic ball again. Okay, it took more or less the same amount of time to fall. Now we'll do the same with the magnet. Now, let's see. Okay, in this case, we saw that the magnet took longer time to reach Kunal's hand. And so why is that? So what is happening is that the magnet has this magnetic field, and the copper is a metal and it's a good conductor. And what happens is that the electrons in the material are interacting with this magnetic field, and they want to produce. They get affected by it, and they want to produce a magnetic field that is opposing the variation that this magnet is producing inside, and they will create induced conduction inside of the pipe.
You must have learned about this in your school when you were taught about electromagnetic induction, and this is the same principle which is used to generate all the electricity that we are using in our life. So basically it's the same experiment, but with a higher, stronger magnet. And the electricity which is produced in such a tube is in those cases linked to a different source. So we just spin the magnet, produce electricity, and direct it to the homes. So we see that something as basic as this can be used to generate things like electricity on a large scale.